Fence eating the crop. It is all about policing in Kerala, the internal conflicts. A new episode of rivalry within the force has come out. The latest incident happened recently. It is between a DIG and a civil police officer. The ranks matter. The police commissioner of Calicut, A.V. George, is the hero in the story. Umesh Vallikunnu, a CPO, is the villain. The hero has suspended the villain on a complaint of a woman. The complaint said the CPO has been cohabiting with her daughter. Umesh helped her daughter in leasing a flat in the city. The lady has been away from her home after some family disputes. Umesh is one among her friends. The CPO is a frequent visitor to her daughter's flat, the complaint had said. The commissioner sent his deputy to investigate. No wonder the CPO has been suspended. But the lady, friend of the CPO, petitioned to the IG of the police. It says the complaint by her mother was baseless. She, as a mature woman, can decide her course of action. Moreover, the officer who came to record her statement in her flat came without a lady CPO. The investigator did not listen to what she had to say. That apart, they did not give her a copy of the recorded statement. Now is the climax. The villain is turning to be the hero. The hero and his commandos would be villains. What policing is this? Are they not aware of the judgment of the Supreme Court of India? Neither cohabitation or adultery is an offence in India since September 2018. A division bench of the Apex Court had repealed Section 497 of the IPC. The husbands can no more treat their wives as their private property. The judgment said the 158-year-old law on adultery was against women's will. Forget about all that. It is about extramarital. Take the case of cohabitation. Even that is not illegal thing in India. However, it is a taboo still. Here it could be anything. Extramarital, cohabitation, or just a friendly relationship. What is wrong in it? As far as the lady has no issue, a matured woman is entitled to have a relationship with anyone of her choice. Even her mother could not object to it. Here, the cops are playing a dirty game. They are taking the issue to settle scores against the policeman. Any live-in relationship is legal. It is a walk-in and walk-out relationship. There are no strings attached to it. There is no legal bearing also into it. And moreover, there is no restriction that one can have a friend of his or her gender only. A man can also have woman friends and vice versa. We can't think that the senior cops are unaware of these facts. But they are playing dirty games, only to harass an officer much down below them. Now the call is with the IGP. The CPO was in the news when he put some posts on the Sabarimala row. He was suspended by the then commissioner. He was posted to the control room post his suspension. Now he says the new punishment is part of a bigger plot. The authorities were harassing and aiming his dismissal from service. But a bold man, Umesh, says he will not bow down to anyone for no wrong done by him. Who is the hero here and who the villain? സമാനമായ റിപ്പോർട്ടുകൾക്കും അവലോകനങ്ങൾക്കുമായി ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ അമർത്തി ഓൾ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുക.